saw one of your videos and the guy said that he's used to going to the restaurant and looking at the menu and ordering what he thought he could eat rather than what he wanted.
Yeah.
And that really rung true with me. I was like, yeah, I sympathise with that. I know exactly what he's talking about. When I had really loose teeth, and it's like, you just don't want to put them under any unnecessary pressure, because your worst fear is that they're going to fall out in the middle of the restaurant, and then what do you do?
Yeah. He was a dark-haired chappie, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Who said he was going to go out and get a steak.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's probably avoided steaks and stuff for years and years,
Anything chewy,
getting the procedure done. And now he's like, right, well, you know, I can
bring it on.
I can go and get rid of that now.
Bring it on.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get my teeth into something.
Grub crawl.
Grub crawl, definitely. Sandwich, burger, just something I can chew. For me, I haven't bitten into an apple, because obviously I had the bridge and the denture for so long. I want these teeth to last, so I don't want to put them under any unnecessary.
Yeah.
I mean, the Facebook group was talking about pork scratchings, and I was like, what? They're probably the hardest thing on the planet.
No,
and toffee apples and things like that.
No, we won't be. We'll be taking it easy. I think we're going to have to adjust to eat. And I think with some people as well, they've probably had maybe 10 or 15 years, maybe 20 years of not being able to eat certain foods because their dental health was failing.
Yeah.
So I think it's a relief, and it's probably them going back and having stuff what they've maybe been kept away from.
You can go and get some crunchy food.
Yeah.
And it's weird, you crave the things that you know you can't have.
Yeah.
Like fish and chips. I've been craving fish and just the batter on the fish because it's nice and crunchy. So we're looking forward to going on our grub crawl, aren't we?
We are.
That'll be good. But yeah, it's the solution now. So it's just getting used to this, taking it easy. We've got to get used to chewing again, because we've obviously been on the soft food diet now for a few weeks. And even AJ's just said, you will bite your tongue, you will bite your cheeks.
Yeah. That's understandable. Again, your cheeks.
We've got 4 more teeth now at the bottom.
Your cheeks,
so
your brain's
I've
just
got
got
to
to tell
get
your
used to
cheeks to come away a little bit. Yeah, because that would have fallen in ever so slightly as well, because you haven't had those teeth there anymore. You've had all your wisdom teeth and stuff out. Cheeks would have come in a few millimetres, and now they've put those 2 extra on. Your brain will sort all that out.
Well, if you do the reprogrammer, so your brain's already getting used to not having teeth there, and I didn't have teeth at the top, but then when we came back for the data capture, I got 4 more teeth then.
Yeah, because they were waiting for you.
Now I've got 4 more teeth now at the bottom, so I've got to learn it all again.
This is it though now.
This is it.
This is it.
Yeah.
Yeah.